welcome back to the Honey Brown Lifestyle. Cue the vlog intro. I hate myself. No, but welcome back. As you can see, I'm in the car today, but we're not actually doing a vlog. It's kind of like a vlog and a sit-down video. So I'm gonna be doing a little thrift flip sew with me video. I used to work in a costume shop sewing costumes, and I got really into sewing and costume design, and now since quarantine I've been just upcycling all my old clothes, thrift flipping clothes, and it's really fun. And so like I said in our first video, I'm gonna be bringing that to this channel. So this is our first video of that. So I am out today thrifting. I have some stuff at home that I could thrift, but nothing was inspiring me. So I decided that I was just gonna go out to the thrift store and look at some things. So I'm gonna go to several thrift stores today and hopefully find something and just take y'all along with me. So let's get into it. I have not had any luck. Thrift stores have been crowded today. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's National Thrift Store Day or what, but thrift stores have been crowded. But I've come to Goodwill. This is my last and final stop. If I don't find anything, or if it's just too much for my spirits, then I just will say F it and I'll do this another day. But yeah, y'all, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, I've been in here for 5 minutes, and I already found so much stuff, and I'm not gonna get all of it because I'm broke and I shouldn't even be doing this, but I got so much stuff. Oh my gosh, maybe I'll haul it before I flip one of them. Yeah, oh, I'm so thankful. So my spirits have been lifted again, and thrifting has been redeemed in my eyes. This place never lets me down. I should have came here first. But it's okay. It's fine. We live and we learn. But yeah, I'll check back when I get home probably, or when I get into the car again. Who knows? All right, bye. Hello guys, welcome to my at-home portion of this video. As you can see, I'm not even gonna pretend like it's the same day, it's the next day, because I just wasn't feeling it yesterday. But yeah, I went to the thrift store, got a few good things, you know. It took 4 thrift stores to even buy one item. It was really packed in there, and I swear everybody named Mama was there. I didn't know if it was National Thrift Store Day or what it was, but yeah. But I went to a thrift store in Chesapeake and got some goodies. I have this Champion sweatshirt. It's gray, it's plain, nothing special, but it's cute and I liked it, so I picked it up. And what I'm gonna try and do, I've never done this before, but first thing for everything, I'm going to do this a whole like graphic tee trend that's going on when graphic tee trend it's going on where you can make your own graphic tees at home using parchment paper and saran wrap and your iron. So, oh, and a picture that you printed off of line. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna put a picture of my queen, my everything, Anika Noni Rose. If you don't know who she is, you're living under a rock. I guess her most famous thing is being Princess Tiana, but she's more than that, and she's better than that. So I'm gonna put her on my sweatshirt. And like I said earlier, or maybe I said this, maybe it was in a previous recording, I don't know, but this is not a tutorial because I'm not good enough for that, and I don't feel like doing that. So this is just gonna be like a sew with me type of video, see what I create. If you want to sew, join. If you don't know how to, that's cool too. You could just watch for my content, for my commentary, all the things. Yeah, but I'm also gonna be watching a podcast while I do this, the You Can Sit With Us podcast from the Try Wives. So yeah, I'm gonna be talking to the camera a little bit, but also doing voiceover to let y'all know like what I'm doing in each step. So yeah. Oh, also, I made myself a smoothie. Get that A10 promo. Okay. Former D1 athlete, hello. But yeah, so I'm gonna be sipping on that as well. But yeah, I'm super excited. I've never done this before, but we shall see what happens. Okay, so I have I really shouldn't cut these off with, it's a little plastic piece. I shouldn't cut them off with my fabric scissors, but I did. So yeah. But I have, let's see which one I want to use. Printed it multiple times just to get the right one. I think I'm gonna do this one on top. And I'm gonna use this photo of Anika, and yeah, it's just gonna get into it.
You guys, it worked! Y'all, I'm super excited. It worked. Hold on, I'm gonna let it cool down just a little bit. But y'all see it. You see my girl. Okay. Oh, this is about to be my new favorite. Oh, dang, is it crooked? I'm gonna be pissed if it's crooked. I don't think it is though. But look at it. Look at her. It's a glare. I'm sorry. Look at her. She's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it worked. Ayy. Ayy. This one is fire. Yo, I should sell these. If you want one, let me know. I'ma sell them. If you don't want to do it, just sell. That's what I'm selling. Look at that. Oh my gosh. She is such a baddie. Kimani. Look at her. Ooh. But it looks so good. This is probably my new favorite sweatshirt, y'all. Look at this. I got real country real fast. But yes, 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 honey, the material. Okay. Anyways, I was gonna try them on, but I've decided not to. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. If you didn't, too bad. But yes, I'm really happy. Oh, it worked. Oh, it worked. I'm so excited. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna be doing more and more of these videos, more sewing too. I know this time wasn't really sewing, but they will be sewing in the future. I swear, I swear. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you are notified every time we do something new here on the Honey Brown Lifestyle. Share this video with your friends and family so that they know what we're doing here at the Honey Brown Lifestyle. And that's all I got. Hope you guys have a blessed and wonderful day. And yeah, see you next time.